Good morning. I'm Ashley Price, and I'm here today to talk about integrating AR, VR, and wearable technology for Java Joint Beachside Grill's new app. In a global forecast report, it is predicted that by the year 2024, the demand for virtual reality and mobile applications will reach up to $44.7 billion. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the integration of emerging technologies has become a pivotal factor in shaping user experiences and setting mobile applications apart. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and wearable technologies have emerged as powerful tools capable of transforming the way users interact with content and services. This brief exploration will delve into examples highlighting their diverse applications. Furthermore, it will argue for the seamless integration of these technologies into mobile apps, emphasizing the potential for heightened user engagement, enhanced functionality, and a competitive edge in the dynamic realm of mobile applications. Embracing these innovations opens up a realm of possibilities, promising a future where mobile apps not only meet but exceed user expectations through immersive and interactive experiences. Companies can gain an edge over their competition or operate in entirely new niches by offering AR driven services and products to their customers. Augmented reality can be used to enhance the dining experience. Customers can use their smartphones to scan the menu, and AR overlays can provide interactive visualizations of dishes, displaying details like ingredients, nutritional information, and even suggested wine pairings. This interactive menu experience can engage customers and make their dining choices more informed. Integrating AR into the restaurant can elevate the dining experience by providing customers with a visually immersive and informative menu. Customers can scan a product or object to pull up an AR experience tailored either towards giving additional information about the product or some form of supplemental brand-related experience. This not only adds a layer of excitement to the ordering process, but also allows patrons to make personalized and informed choices. Augmented reality can be a powerful tool to enhance customer satisfaction and set Java Joint Beachside Grill apart in their competitive restaurant industry. Virtual reality technology has been expanding immensely and has totally changed our perspective of looking at things. Virtual reality can transport customers virtually to the restaurant's seaside location, offering a 360 view of the beachside ambiance. This virtual tour can showcase the restaurant's unique setting, creating anticipation and excitement for customers planning their visit. VR can be used similarly to let customers explore the kitchen and see how their dishes are prepared, adding an element of transparency and engagement. AR and VR are improving the food and beverage industry by boosting sales and enhancing the customer experience. Integrating VR into the app can provide potential customers with a taste of the restaurant's atmosphere, enticing them to visit in person. This immersive experience can contribute to building a strong brand image, attracting new customers, and enhancing the overall customer journey. VR adds a layer of storytelling that goes beyond the taste of the food, creating a memorable and enticing narrative for patrons. Due to the popularity and demand of wearables across different industries, the demand for customer mobile applications for these smart gadgets is also increasing at a very fast pace. Wearables, such as smartwatches, can be integrated into the app to enhance the dining experiences. Customers wearing smartwatches can receive real-time updates on their reservation status, be notified when the table is ready, and even access a digital loyalty program, earning rewards for repeat visits. Wearable technology like a smartwatch benefits from a simplicity in communication that only requires a glance. Integrating wearables into the app can streamline the dining process and improve customer satisfaction. Wearables offer convenience, allowing patrons to stay connected and informed without constantly checking their phones. This integration aligns with the beachside's casual atmosphere, providing a seamless and tech-savvy approach to customer service. Integrating augmented reality, virtual reality, and wearable technologies into the restaurant can transform the dining experience. From an interactive and informative menu using VR to a virtual tour of a beachside location through VR and the convenience of wearables for managing reservations and loyalty programs. These technologies can create a unique and memorable atmosphere for customers. The integration aligns with the restaurant's commitment to providing a modern and enjoyable dining experience, setting Java Joint Beachside Grill apart in their competitive restaurant landscapes.